This might be the dumbest decision I've ever made. I quit a stable job for money that didn't even exist yet. And here's how it goes. I used to work as a salesperson in a brokerage firm. To be honest, I'm not even in the top 50 employees there. I came from a humble background where the richest person I knew was a 40-years-old man who made $5 grand a month for his whole family. Of course, this was a problem because my job target is to find people who wanted to spend at least 10 grand for my company. I didn't know anyone who had that amount of money to spend on a company they had never even heard of. I gained a lot of experience working as a salesperson, especially when we offer products to people who are far above us. How to convey, how to incite, and how to make others like us. It is very important to be able to make other people like us. When we succeed in getting other people's attention, we can direct their thoughts and perspectives towards something we want, and that is a very sweet trap for a salesperson to master. Even though I gained a lot of knowledge from working at that company, and the earning opportunities were very high, I still left to start my own business. I left this company with only about $1,000 left. I know it's stupid. Why not collect all of the commission first until I hold a much bigger amount of money and then just resign to start the business? But I'm a fucking man. With big dreams comes also a big leap of faith, and security is the most expensive cage you'll ever live in. Actually, I already have a side hustle. I sell custom phone cases and also air fresheners. The income from this business is certainly there, but the nominal amount is not tempting. It is very difficult to run a business while having to work from 9 to 5. So it turns out it didn't go as planned. The phone case and air freshener business went down faster than I expected. The supplier suddenly raised the prices and then started limiting the products. I couldn't scale. I couldn't even survive. And just like that, the only business I had died. No money. It's funny. I left a stable job thinking I'd be free, but now I am broke and free. Freedom feels different when your wallet is empty, but didn't want to go back. I can't go back. I wasn't afraid of failing. I was afraid of wasting my life waiting for the perfect time. Every time I failed, I found another reason why going back was never an option. So I started building again. This time, digital stuff. I created YouTube channels, Instagram pages, and TikTok accounts. I tried everything. Different niches, different faces, different strategies. Most of them failed. Some went viral, but none of them made real money. It's easy to go viral once. What's hard is turning views into something that pays my bills. But I kept going because I read this book called You Are Ambitious But Lazy, and damn, it hits me hard. The book explains why we have big dreams, but somehow we stay stuck. It's not because we're not good enough. It's because we lie to ourselves. We say, I'll start tomorrow, or I need more time. But in reality, we just don't know how to move, or we're scared to move. Dreams don't die. People just get too tired of chasing them alone. That book didn't give me some magic secret, but it made me aware that maybe I don't need motivation. Maybe I just need to stop bullshitting myself. So I did. I started again, but this time with intention. I kept posting, I kept selling affiliate products, I simplified everything. And finally, things started moving. I started making a stable income every month. It's not crazy money. It's actually just about the same amount I made at my old job. But now I make that money on my terms. No one's calling me on Monday morning. No one's asking for reports. I still work hard, maybe even harder, but I choose when and how I work. And that's the part people don't understand. Success isn't always about making more. Sometimes it's about living better. And for me, that means owning my time. If you're making $2,000 to $3,000 online from your laptop, trust me, it is far more better life you can achieve than having $4,000 to $5,000 working 9 to 5. You can always escalate your income with your own work, put more effort and quality, and you could get 10 grand from digital business. If you put the same work and effort in another person's company, you might not get that much amount of money you should have gotten. People call you reckless when you leave comfort, but they'll call you lucky when it finally works. You won't grow if you only move when it's safe. The life you want is on the other side of everything you're scared to try. If you're in that weird phase, stuck between big dreams and small moves, maybe you're confused, maybe you're misaligned, go and read You Are Ambitious But Lazy book. It helps me stop overthinking and start doing. Maybe it'll help you too.